It is with great pleasure that we present to you the patented technology for the rapid construction of roads, sidewalks, parking lots, pedestrian areas, park lanes, and squares. With this technology, concrete is protected from any external influences and especially from salt, which is its biggest enemy. If there are warm mineral springs, under granite heating can be done to prevent freezing in winter. Only +5-degree temperature is needed. The process begins with the thorough removal of the entire layer of old asphalt using the appropriate equipment. After the complete removal of the asphalt, excavation of the entire route begins, during which the earth mass is removed to a depth of 80 centimeters. When the excavation is ready, a textile membrane is placed, which separates the gravel from the ground and prevents moisture from penetrating upwards. At this stage, the trench is filled with 50 centimeters of gravel along the entire length. After the initial layer of gravel is placed, it needs to be leveled evenly along the route. The gravel is leveled with the fandrome and tamped with a roller. The side plates are installed using an excavator and a special clamp. After driving the fasteners with a pneumatic machine, the plates are adjusted using an excavator and a clamp. The reinforcing pegs of the vertical plates and the armature are made of composite armature, which does not corrode and is 50% cheaper than steel armature. After the installation of the plates is completed, the fixing stakes are tied with wire. This technology allows vertical plates to be adjusted with a laser down to a millimeter level, which is very important for water drainage. At this stage, the lateral part of the vertical plates are filled with concrete. Each side is vibrated to allow the concrete to fill the voids around the fasteners. The web is prepared for concreting by placing a mesh of composite reinforcement. The canvas is poured with 30 centimeters of concrete, then vibrated with suitable equipment. It is necessary to smooth the freshly poured concrete before placing the horizontal plates. The canvas is completed by placing horizontal granite slabs, and when placed, the angle is driven into the concrete and remains permanently. Before joining the two horizontal plates, a sealant is poured, which prevents the penetration of water between the plates. The slabs are placed with a 1-degree slope, which helps the water run off. The process is repeated on the adjacent lane. The cost of the road is the same as the construction of an asphalt road. At the time of installation, the horizontal granite slabs are anchored in the concrete and become one unit. The surface of the granite has a special heat treatment to guarantee 100% adhesion between the tires and the granite. With the help of this technology, the road will not need repairs for decades.